In this section, we will learn how to use the open source OSM OpenStreetMap online map feature integrated in TESS NG 4.1 to quickly generate a simulation road network, greatly improving modeling efficiency. When you open TESS NG, the default page directly displays the OSM online map, with the initial position at longitude 121.318 and latitude 31.209, corresponding to Shanghai JIDA Transportation Technology Co., Ltd. The positioning function is located in the top right corner of the page, supporting two methods, latitude or longitude positioning, and location name positioning. Enter the target longitude and latitude in the input boxes, then click Position to quickly locate the corresponding coordinates. Enter a location name, for example, Tongji University, in the input box, then click Position and the system will automatically locate the place. After positioning, we use the road network extraction function to delineate the road network scope and automatically generate the network. Click the Extract Road Network button in the top right corner to activate the function, then left-click and drag to draw a box on the map to select the area for road network generation. After delineating the scope, the OSM Import Settings dialog will appear, where we can configure road network scope, displays the latitude or longitude coordinates of the selected area, non-editable. Import road types, defaults to highway type. You can check arterial roads and low-grade roads. Generate background map. If checked, you can configure map level, tile storage location, background map save location, and whether to update local tile cache. Map zoom levels can be set from 14 to 20. Higher levels provide higher resolution. After completing the OSM import settings, click Generate Road Network. A progress bar will appear on the page. Once the progress bar completes, the road network for the specified area will be automatically created.